Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 10th of March 2024 and I'm going to be going over the next week's testing results of the option chain predictions for Tesla. And of course I'm going to move this here so you can actually see the values. If you are wondering where these predictions of up and down are coming from, please go view my channel where you can see date marked where these predictions are coming from. And obviously the analysis and thought process behind them. It's quite a detailed video and it covers in depth what the logic was. So if you're interested, please go view that. But without further ado, let's get into this one. So for Tesla, we can see that last week, the prediction made on the 3rd of March was that Tesla goes up for the week ending the 8th. This obviously went horribly wrong since Tesla opened at 198.73 and closed at 175.34. Which in losses was an 11.77% loss. And that brought our cumulative P&L down to 0.18%. I mean, Tesla's weekly change was minus 13.47. So it still brings our alpha up compared to the cumulative Tesla return, but it brings our cumulative P&L down very significantly. So this is just a short video going over the results of this week's testing. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.